Your mind was designed to build greatness, not to collapse under negative thoughts controlling your decisions and daily actions. You carry a powerful strength inside you, but negativity keeps blocking progress and shrinking your confidence every single day. Today, you learn how to fight back courageously, transform your mindset, and rise stronger with unstoppable belief and direction. In this audiobook, we will remove negative thinking, build strong self-belief, and activate your best version confidently daily. Negative thoughts grow silently and convince your mind that success is difficult, impossible, or not meant for you ever. When fear controls the brain, good opportunities look dangerous, and even simple tasks suddenly feel stressful and confusing always. Remember, thoughts are not facts. They are temporary ideas created by your mind without any real proof or evidence. Whenever negativity appears, pause calmly, breathe deeply, and remind yourself fear is imagination trying to control your life. Tell yourself firmly, this thought is not truth. It is only a lie trying to stop my growth and success. Replace every negative line with the empowering message that guides your energy forward and supports positive actions every day. For example, say I can learn continuously, and consistent improvement creates progress, confidence, and strong success eventually. Your mind listens carefully to your repeated words, so speak with kindness and strength that supports your goals and vision. Surround yourself with helpful people because positive environments grow courage, while toxic energy increases anxiety and stress easily. Protect your attention from drama and negativity so your mind stays peaceful, focused, productive, and confident moving forward. Practice gratitude daily because it reminds you of blessings, reducing fear and keeping your heart calm, hopeful, and satisfied. Change becomes real when you act, because confidence grows only through experiences where courage is practiced with small steps. Start doing tiny actions that challenge fear, teaching your brain that success is possible and closer than you imagine. Celebrate small improvements, because noticing progress trains your mind to expect more success and stronger results continuously. Your identity changes when you speak positively, honor your goals, and stop letting fear decide your future choices. Negativity survives only when believed, but disappears instantly when questioned with truth, courage, and strong mental clarity. Your best self lives inside you already, waiting for consistent action and belief to reveal your true power confidently. Your mindset becomes stronger when you choose growth over fear, replacing doubt with consistent courage and positive action daily. Every morning, remind yourself that today offers new chances, new strength, and new opportunities waiting confidently for you. Write one powerful intention each day so your brain focuses on progress instead of problems trying to distract constantly. Say something like, I choose confidence today, or I will protect my peace, progress, and positive mindset successfully. Visualize yourself achieving goals because imagination programs the brain to believe success is possible, real, and already happening. See your future self stronger, happier, and more confident, guiding your actions toward greatness and personal transformation ahead. Challenge negative patterns gently by asking, does this thought help me grow, or does it limit my progress immediately? If it limits you, refuse that thought and replace it with a supportive statement that builds courage and mental clarity. Your brain changes through repetition, so choose thoughts that empower your confidence and elevate your standard of living higher. Stop comparing your journey with others because everyone grows differently, and comparison weakens happiness, motivation, and inner peace quickly. Focus only on your improvement, because success becomes faster when energy stays directed toward personal growth, not competition. Forgive your past mistakes because healing clears the mind, allowing creativity, courage, and progress to return effortlessly again. Remind yourself that failure teaches strength, and each lesson builds better decisions, better habits, and better future actions daily. Spend more time doing activities that improve your life, like learning skills, exercise, reading, and practicing calm breathing regularly. Protect your emotional boundaries by saying no to negativity, gossip, and situations draining your energy very easily. When your environment supports growth, positivity increases automatically, and your inner strength becomes more natural and powerful. Take breaks from technology because silence helps the mind rest, reset thoughts, and discover peaceful clarity inside your heart. Practice mindfulness by observing thoughts without judgment, allowing negativity to pass without controlling your mood anymore. Your goal is not to eliminate negative thoughts permanently, but to weaken their power and choose stronger responses consciously. Every positive choice becomes a victory, proving you can control your mind and rebuild confidence with continuous practice daily. Your mind becomes confident when you accept challenges, because comfort zones keep you small, scared, and easily discouraged always. Growth starts when you take steps despite fear, showing your brain that courage is stronger than doubt every day. Tell yourself, even if I feel fear, I will still move forward and try my best confidently. Courage is not the absence of fear, it is choosing action even when fear speaks loudly inside your thoughts. Create daily goals that push you slightly beyond comfort, so your confidence increases through progress and continuous personal victories. Small challenges done repeatedly train your mind to expect success, not failure controlling your future direction anymore. Track your growth weekly because seeing improvement gives motivation, hope, and strong proof that your mindset is changing. Celebrate every positive behavior because appreciation strengthens belief and makes success feel possible, enjoyable, and exciting daily. Avoid perfection because perfection creates pressure, causing stress, procrastination, and unnecessary fear of making natural mistakes. Choose progress because progress builds confidence slowly, creating realistic success supported by patience, discipline, and strong focus. Remember, your inner voice shapes identity, so speak to yourself like someone who is worthy, capable, and valuable always. Remove self-criticism and replace it with self-compassion, because healing grows faster with kindness, patience, and understanding. Your brain learns better under encouragement, not judgment, so support yourself like a trusted coach, guiding positive transformation continuously. Every evening, reflect on what went right today, because positive reflection trains your mind to notice success everywhere. When negativity returns, respond calmly by saying, "This thought cannot stop me. I still choose strength today." Your progress becomes unstoppable when you trust yourself enough to continue moving, even during slow days or difficult situations. Strong mindset means doing what is necessary, even when motivation feels weak or confidence feels quiet inside your heart. Discipline protects your goals from emotional thinking, allowing progress to continue with focus, intention, and responsibility daily. You are building a mind that no challenge can break, because resilience grows stronger through every successful step forward. Believe that your life is becoming better, because belief activates power, and power inspires action, creating meaningful change. Success becomes your habit when you keep choosing the right actions repeatedly, even on difficult days and stressful moments. Stay consistent with your goals, because consistency builds progress, confidence, and unstoppable belief through every daily effort you complete. Keep your breathing calm whenever negativity appears, because a peaceful breath sends your brain signals of safety and strength. Your mind relaxes when you slow down thoughts, allowing clarity to guide decisions without fear or unnecessary emotional confusion. Write a powerful affirmation you repeat daily so your brain remembers your strength and supports every positive direction confidently. Say, "I deserve success and I trust myself because my mindset is stronger than fear trying to limit me." Visual reminders help growth continue, so keep motivational notes where you see them often and feel supported every single day. Let go of people who constantly complain, because their negative behavior drains your power, confidence, and mental peace quickly. Choose relationships that motivate progress, encourage growth, and support your journey toward a stronger, happier, and more successful life. Protect your mornings, because early energy decides your mindset. So start with gratitude, calm breathing, and a winning attitude. Avoid checking stress-causing notifications immediately, allowing your brain to wake slowly with peace, focus, and positive direction. Nighttime routines matter too, because restful sleep repairs thoughts, emotions, and motivation for tomorrow's achievements successfully. Disconnect from screens early and spend time journaling, reflecting, or appreciating peaceful silence inside your heart honestly. When challenges come, see them as lessons helping you grow smarter, stronger, and more confident than ever before daily. Failures are not endings, they are adjustments teaching what works better for future actions and improved decisions tomorrow. Trust your journey even when progress seems slow, because patience builds success quietly through consistent hard work every day. Look back proudly and see how far you came, because growth becomes clearer when progress is measured honestly over time. Keep learning new skills, because knowledge increases options and options increase confidence to achieve goals without fear controlling you. Every thought you choose shapes your future, so choose positivity, strength, and belief, guiding you toward meaningful success ahead. Your transformation is happening now because you are training your mind to believe, act, and grow beyond every limitation. You are becoming someone with confidence, purpose, and discipline who refuses negativity and chooses greatness every single day. Your future is powerful, your mindset is unstoppable, and your best self is rising with every strong decision forward. Always remember, you are enough, you are improving, and you are moving closer to the life you truly deserve.